Hello, I'm Chef Jamel Boyd, and today we're going to teach you how to cook a flank steak stuffed with ricotta cheese. A great way to cook this and prepare this, you can pan sear it and you can serve it with a nice burgundy or your favorite glass of Merlot. I have a piece of flank steak. We'll add some pepper, a little bit of salt, okay? We'll take some of the ricotta cheese. And then what we'll do is we'll just take the two ends of the flank steak and we'll just roll it over, okay? Until it creates a nice cylinder. Then we'll just pat it down until the cheese is fully engulfed on the whole roll. Then we'll add a little bit of salt and pepper to the outside of it. Then we'll take our rosemary, crust it around the rosemary. Place our rolls in our pan, flap side down so the flap can sear itself shut. I add some sherry wine, about an ounce or so. The sherry wine has some cilantro in it for extra flavor. And from here, I'm going to put this in the oven for about 4 minutes, 350 degrees. Hi, I'm Chef Jamel Boyd, and that's how you cook a flank steak with ricotta cheese.